In this video, you will learn 5011 plus vocabulary list. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to master 11 plus exam techniques to land in your dream grammar school, start right now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. A sliding gate or other device for controlling the flow of water. Starts with S. In this picture, we can see two gates that are controlling the flow of water. So this means the word will be sluice. And the sentence for this word is, many coastal cities have a sluice to stop flooding. Make something ineffective by applying an opposite force. Starts with N. In this picture, we can see two solutions that are the opposite force added together to make each other ineffective. So therefore, the word will be neutralize. And the sentence is, the scientist poured in acid to neutralize the solution. The next definition is absorb all the attention. Starts with E. In this picture, we can see a boy paying his full attention onto the book he is reading. So therefore, the word will be engross. And the sentence is, the boy was completely engrossed in the book. Unselfish starts with A. In this picture, we could see Mother Teresa, who was obviously very unselfish. And the word is altruistic. The sentence is, many people in the past set an example on how to be altruistic. Thinking only of oneself starts with E. In this picture, we can see a thumbs up saying me and a thumbs down saying you. So therefore, this person is being really selfish. And the word will be egocentric. And the sentence is, the team always loses because of its egocentric players. Purify starts with D. In this picture, we can see the procedure of water getting purified. So the word will be distill. And the sentence for this word is, we distill dirty water to make it drinkable. A preliminary version starts with D. In this picture, it says a rough version. So therefore, the word will be draft. And the sentence is, everyone said that the draft for my speech was good. Permission starts with C. In this picture, we can see someone about to tick the I agree box. So therefore, they're giving permission. And this means the word will be consent. And the sentence is, the parents had to give consent for their children to go on the trip. The next definition is record the proceeding of a meeting. Starts with M. In this picture, it says minutes of meetings. So therefore, the word is minuted. And the sentence is, she minuted the conversation of the meeting. Neat and trim in dress and appearance starts with D. In this picture, we can see two people who are neat and trim in dress. So therefore, the word is dapper. And the sentence is, the men were neat and dapper for the party. The focus of public attention starts with L. In this picture, we can see someone speaking through a microphone, and so therefore, they're obviously going to get attention when they speak through a microphone. So this means the word will be limelight. And the sentence for this word is, Tom loved being at the limelight. The next definition is a piece of jewelry in the shape of a medal worn as a pendant. Starts with M. In this picture, we can see jewelry in the shape of a medal, which is obviously a circle. So therefore, the word is medallion. And the sentence is, she had a very expensive gold medallion. The next definition is grasp tightly. Starts with C. In this picture, we can see two people holding their hands very tightly. So therefore, the word is clasp. And the sentence is, the panda clasped tightly onto the bamboo. Look closely starts with P. In In this picture, we can see two boys looking very closely at their laptops. So the word is peer, and the sentence is the kids peered very closely at their laptops. As you guys could see in the picture, they are looking very closely at their laptops. A huge stock starts with S. In this picture, you can see a huge stock in the supermarket. So therefore, the word will be stockpile. And the sentence is the supermarket had a huge stockpile of tin tomatoes. Gather together, a large amount over a period of time starts with A. In this picture, we can see football fans who are gathered here for a period of time, which is 90 minutes. The word will be amass, and the sentence is the fans amassed for their football game. A low continuous background noise starts with M. In this picture, we can see an object emitting noise. So therefore, the word will be mumble, and the sentence is the two friends were mumbling at the library. Shorten without losing the sense starts with A. In this picture, it says shorten without losing the sense. So therefore, the word is going to be abridge, and the sentence is the book was an abridged account of his holiday. Scrub or rub starts with S. In this picture, you can see someone scrubbing or rubbing the side of their pan. So the word is scour, and the sentence is they decided to scour the pan after dinner. Throw out in a sudden way starts with E. In this picture, we can see in a plane that is throwing out bombs in a sudden way. Therefore, the word is going to be eject, and the sentence is fighter planes eject bombs suddenly during wars. Officially make someone leave a school or office starts with E. In this picture, we can see 4 smiley faces and 1 sad face. So therefore, the word will be expel. And the sentence is, my friend was expelled from school for bad behavior. The next definition is wingless parasitic insects that live on mammals starts with L. In this picture, we can see wingless parasitic insects that live on this person's hair. So therefore, the word will be louse. And the sentence is, she found a louse in her hair. The next definition is refer to passage, book as evidence for in scholarly work. Starts with C. In this picture, we can see someone writing in a diary. So the word will be cite. The sentence is, he cited 2 reasons why people hate Mondays. Shoe with thick wooden sole. Impediment starts with C. In this picture, we can see a shoe with a thick wooden sole. So therefore, the word will be clog. And the sentence is, wearing clogs is not good for your foot. To do something that makes a person, group, or organization feel proud or receiving praise. So in this picture, we can see a group of people that receive praise. In other words, the police, and they're receiving praise. So therefore, the word will be credit. He got credit for helping the police. Scribble absent-mindedly starts with D. In this picture, we can see someone scribbling all over their walls. So therefore, the word is doodle. And the sentence is, he had doodled all over the walls in his house. Stay below boiling point starts with S. In this picture, we can see a kettle under boiling point, which means the word is going to be simmer. And the sentence is, leave the kettle to simmer for a minute. Cover thinly with gold starts with G. In this picture, we can see a gold Buddha statue. And the word is guild. Guild Buddha stands for enlightenment. Theatrical technique of suggesting without words, using only gestures, starts with M. In this picture, we can see Charlie Chaplin. And the word is going to be mime. The sentence for this word is Chaplin was one of the most performers to use mime in cinema. To take possession of an area of land or a country, usually by force or without permission. In this picture, we can see an island. So the word is going to be annex. And the sentence is the UK annexed this most difficult island in the world to sleep on. Grape variety starts with M. In this picture, we can see a variety of grapes. The word is going to be muscat. And the sentence is muscat grapes at the end of the season are the sweetest. Minor road starts with B. In this picture, we can see a minor road connecting to a main road. So therefore, the word is going to be byroad. The sentence for this word is byroads are normally found in the countryside. Scary, frightening starts with C. In this picture, we can see hands reaching out to this person in the shower, just like in horror movies. So therefore, the word is creepy. And the sentence is the new residents in the village got a creepy feeling. Reduce something to its constituent parts in order to reinterpret it. In this picture, we can see the parts that make up this electrical appliance, which means the word is going to be deconstruct. And the sentence is the electrician deconstructed the appliance, just like in the picture above. Highly decorated starts with O. In this picture, we can see a highly decorated palace, which means the word will be ornate. And the sentence is, my eyes were instantly drawn to the ornate gold ceiling. Fairly large starts with S. In this picture, we can see a very large fish. So the word is sizable. And the sentence is, sizable fish can be seen in lakes. Less than usual size, underdeveloped starts with U. In this picture, we can see a very small doll and it's not even the usual size. So the word is undersized. And the sentence is, undersized dolls are available at cheaper price. Feel a powerful desire for something starts with C. In this picture, we can see a boy having his all eyes on the ice cream he's eating. It suggests he's having a powerful desire for the ice cream he's having. So therefore, the word is going to be crave. And the sentence is, the boys crave for the ice cream. Shrinking movement out of pain starts with W. In this picture, we can see someone shrinking their eyes and really making them tinier because they're in pain. So therefore, the word is going to be wince. And the sentence is, the pain of cramps in sleep causes you to wince. Strong pull used for mast starts with S. In this picture, we can see a very strong pull that is used for mast. And the word is spar. The sentence is, a spar is an upright pole on the center line of a ship or a boat. If you guys do want more vocabulary resources, I've got the link in the description for more resources, so go check that out. Slap or blow, typically one given with the palm of the hand, starts with S. In this picture, we can see someone slapping the other person, which means the word is going to be smack. The sentence is, turn the lights on before you enter the room, otherwise you would smack your head into the wall. Decline, refuse starts with S. In this picture, we can just see rejected, 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 which means the word will be spurn. And the sentence is, my friend spurned my offers for help. Feeling that something is unworthy. In this picture, we can see two people that are throwing away things that they think are unworthy. So the word is disdain, and the sentence is they believe that the old items were disdain. Assign the responsibility for doing something starts with E. In this picture, we can see people planning as they've been given the responsibility for doing something. And the word is going to be entrust. And the sentence is, me and my friends have been entrusted with organizing the presentation in the school. Person sent as diplomatic, representative on a special mission starts with E. In this picture, we can see someone sent on a special mission as a representative. So the word is going to be emissary. And the sentence is, he flew to Argentina as the personal emissary of the government. Representative starts with D. In this picture, we can see someone taking a presentation or a conference, which means the word is going to be delegate. The sentence is, I have been elected as a delegate to the annual conference. Deliver starts with C. In this picture, we can see someone delivering flowers. And the word is consign. The sentence is, consign that flowers before this afternoon. Leave property to a person or other beneficiary by a will. In this picture, we can see someone holding a card saying last will and testament. The word is going to be bequeath, and the sentence is, his grandparents bequeathed him all of their properties. The next definition is luxurious, starts with O. In this picture, we can see a luxurious hotel. So the word is going to be opulent, and the sentence is, always be grateful for your opulent lifestyle. Woman who is trained to assist women in childbirth starts with M. In this picture, we can see someone holding a baby, so the word is going to be midwife. And the sentence is, midwives will help you through pregnancy. Now to learn more on 11 Plus Vocab, click the video on the right, and to learn the previous type, click the video on the left. So take your pick. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.